Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will give my presentation, and we will talk about the case study. And the title of the case study is the asset and inventory management. And first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad IZZAT bin ANUAR. And for today, we will discuss about the case study about the asset inventory management about my company. Alright, we go to the first slide. For the first slide, I will give the introduction of the issue. And as you can see, I have 3 points about the introduction of issue. For the first point is departments that will hold responsibility, and because asset and inventory for batteryco.com is very important things for the company, because they are departments that will hold responsibility for ensuring that every matter related to the asset and inventory is maintained. Alright, and for the number two, point number two is the important methods and software and manuals. And because it's very important, because asset and inventory for the batteryco.com are controlled by using several important methods, such as using systematic system, and through the use of software and manuals, because the product of the batteryco.coms are fully finished products. Right. For the last points is entry and exit quality care. For the exit and for the entry and exit quality care, the role played by the asset and inventory departments is to take care of everything, and related to this assets and inventory in terms of product entry and exit quality care. And I want to add more info. In addition, there are issues related to the assets and inventory system in the company that will slow down every process and that runs in the company, and this will brings bad results from the points of view of the parts of the system that oversees the product. All right, we go to the next slide. All right, for this slide, we'll talk about the identify issue related to the assets and inventory system. As you can see, I give the really main points. That is a human error, and I give the human error for my company is because the main issue that batteryco.com company that have is the human error. This is and human error is referred to individual or groups making errors, oversight or blunders when executing duties. And this type of inaccuracy can be caused by various circumstances, including of lack of intention, inadequate training, stress wearing, or simply making a mistakes. And human error can result in unforeseen consequence, and like accident, injuries, or loss productivities. And however, it is crucial to emphasize that human error is a natural and anticipated element of human behavior, and efforts should be taken to reduce its incidence by strengthening system and process, and providing individual with adequate training and resource. Alright, we go to the next slide. As you can see, and for this slide is the flow, that is the procedure of the assets and inventory management. And you can see On the box, the flow of the procedure of asset inventory. We have first we have a stock order, and number two reserve stock order, and three is a PIC, that is a person in charge. And after that, it will go to the tally stock. And for the tally stock, this has the little points, that is a manual and software. And for the manual, I give the example is stock cards, and for the software is I will give the JBK. And the JBK, the long words is the jual battery creator. And after after we go through the manual system and software, we collect data, and lastly we will report. I will give the explanation. And the reserve product will have its data enter through the system used in the batteryco.com by performing and in several process. Items must be similar, and in quantity, in quantity to what they order and reserve. Once stock card is filled, the person in charge will manually count the items and list them. Once this is done, they will enter and transfer the data to the JVK and or the quick site of the betico.com system. This system can verify sales and stock in the warehouse and summarize reports for incoming and outgoing items. Right, we go to the next slide. Alright, for this slide, let's talk about the improvement that can help to reduce the time and cost. As you can see, I give the three suggestion to improvement. First of all is the communication. Communication I give because it will improve communication among teams, member, stockholder, and client, and can also assist in reducing misunderstanding, and also avoiding rework, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. And also this can assist to save time and money by minimizing the delay and error. For point number two is employee training and development. For the employee training and development, it is implementing a successful training and development program can assist enhance productivity, reduce error, and increase job. And also satisfaction, it may also result in improve employee retention rates and lower recruitment and training expenditure. For the number three is the system that suits employee. Because I give this suggestion because the produce a system that suits the skill of employees and employee and employees can perform work tasks with enthusiasm and diligence in throwing thoughtful ideas. Right, we go to the last slide. For the last slide, I give the conclusion. For the conclusion is in conclusion, every company that develops and grow will not run away from the problems that exist in the company. Therefore, an organization needs to play an important role in identifying every problem faced by predicting in advance the possibilities that will happen to ensure that the organization is ready to face problems plain by implementing several improvement action. And also that can help reduce time and cost regardless of the system, and employees to ensure that everything can have a positive impact on the company. All right, that's all from me, and thank you for listening, and that's all. Thank you.